Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play the Renegade in World of Tanks. The Renegade is a formidable American heavy tank, but mastering it requires understanding its unique characteristics. Its turret boasts impressive armor, allowing you to bounce many incoming shots. However, its hull is quite vulnerable, so always strive to keep it hidden. Leverage its superb 10 degrees of gun depression to excel in hull-down positions, making you a tough target. Effective positioning is crucial for the Renegade. Always look for ridges, hills, or rubble piles that let you expose only your strong turret. This minimizes your vulnerability significantly. Avoid flat, open ground where your lower plate becomes an easy target for enemy fire. Pay close attention to the minimap to predict where enemies might push, allowing you to reposition and maintain a strong defensive or offensive stance. The Renegade's gun is a powerful asset, capable of delivering consistent damage. With an alpha damage of 360, you can trade favorably with many opponents. Always take the time to aim for enemy weak spots, especially when facing heavily armored targets. Its good damage per minute, or DPM, allows you to maintain pressure throughout the battle. Don't rush shots. Make each one count for maximum impact. As a heavy tank, supporting your team is vital. Focus your fire on targets your allies are engaging to quickly eliminate threats. Your robust turret makes you an excellent choice for holding important choke points, denying enemy pushes. In the late game, assess the remaining enemy tanks and your team's health. You might need to push aggressively or play more defensively to secure victory, adapting to the dynamic battlefield.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.